Okay, we will solve this one. Find the 10th term of the geometric sequence 2, 4, 8, dot, dot, dot. So, hanapin natin yung pang 10th term. Okay, so this is the formula of finding the 10th term. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so kunin muna natin yung given dito. Uy, wala na isulod. So, yung a sub 1 that is equal to 2 kasi yan ang first term. Okay, then yung common ratio, so from 2, we have to multiply it by 2 para magiging 4. Then another multiply by 2 para magiging 8. Okay, so hanapin natin yung pang 10 term dito. So therefore, yung common ratio natin dito is 2. Okay, then n is, this is 10 kasi pang 10 term. Okay, so from this formula, a sub n, so a sub 10. Okay? Kasi yung pang 10 term. Then yung a sub 1 is 2. Okay? Times yung ratio natin or common ratio is 2. Tapos n natin is 10 minus 1. So equals 2 times 2 raised to the power of 9. Kasi 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay? So ngayon, si 2, multiply na naman natin yan kay 2 raised to the power of 9. So itong 2 raised to the power of 9, you have to multiply si 2, okay, by 9 times. Okay? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Ilan na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 6, 7. Kulang ng dalawa. Okay? Kasi 9 eh. 9 power. So 2 times 2, that is 4. Times 2, that is 8. Times 2, that is 16. Times 2, that is 32. Times 2, that is 64. Times 2, that is 128. Times 2, that is 256. Times 2, that is 512. Okay? So 2 times 512. Okay? Kita pa. So dito na lang ha, sa taas ha. Baka hindi na makita sa baba. So a sub 10, that is equal to, multiply natin yan, 2 times 512, that is equal to 1,024. So this is the 10th term. Baba ko na lang. Okay, so this is your final answer. Bye-bye. Okay, we will solve this one. Find r in the geometric sequence if the first term is 1/3 and the 8th term is 1/28 over 3. Okay, so yung formula natin gagamitin is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so first kunin natin yung given natin dito. Okay, yung given is a sub 1. The first term is equal to 1/3. Okay, tapos yung a sub 8 is equal to 128 over 3. Then the number of terms ay equal sa 8. Okay, so ngayon i-substitute natin yan sa ating formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. So yung a sub n natin dito, this is a sub 8. So this is equal to 128 over 3. So equals yung a sub 1, which is the first term na 1/3. Okay, times natin kay r. Hindi natin alam ano yung value ng r. So yun ang hanapin natin. So yung n, si 8 minus 1. Okay, so ngayon, kopyahin muna natin si 128 over 3. So equals 1/3. Okay, times r raised to the power of 7. Kasi 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay, ngayon, we have to multiply both sides by 3. Okay, So 3 times 128, kita pa ba? Over 3. So equals, yan muna natin si 1/3 times r raised to the power of 7, multiply din natin by 3. Okay? So cancel natin yung 3, cancel natin yan. So naiwan dito sa left side, dito tayo sa taas ha. So 128 equals 1 na yung naiwan dito times r raised to the power of 7. So r raised to the power of 7. So yung transpose natin yan to the left, si r raised to the power of 7. So magiging negative r raised to the power of 7. So equals, so 128 yung transpose natin. So this is negative 128. Okay? So i-divide natin yan both sides, or multiply both sides by negative. So diretso na lang natin ha. So divide na lang natin ng negative. Pwede rin multiply both sides. So naiwan, negative divide by negative is positive, di ba? So r raised to the power of 7 equals positive 128. Kasi pag mag-divide tayo ng the same sign or mag-multiply tayo ng the same sign, the result is positive. Okay, ngayon, tingnan natin yan, si r raised to the power of 7 equals si 128. So 2 raised to the power of 7, kasi si 2 kapag i-multiply natin by itself 7 times, the result is 128. Okay, so 2 times 2 times 2, basta 7 times. Okay, the result is 128. So ngayon i-cancel natin yan si 7. So naiwan dito r, dito lang sa taas. So final answer na tayo. R is equal to 2. So this is your final answer. Okay, we will solve this one. What term is 2916 in the geometric sequence 4, 12, 36, dot, dot, dot. Okay, so hanapin natin yung anong term si 2916. So we will use this formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so yung given natin dito na ako sa taas ha, para maano natin yung space. Yung given natin, yung a sub 1 ay 4. Okay? Tapos yung common ratio natin, okay, so from 4, multiply natin, ano yung i-multiply natin para magiging 12? So we have to multiply it by 3. 4 times 3, 12. Then 12 times 3 is 36. So therefore, yung common ratio natin is 3. Okay? Tapos, yung a sub n is 2,916. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung n. Hindi natin alam yan. So, from this formula, substitute natin yan. So, a sub n, that is 2,916 equals, yung a sub 1 is 4. Yan, si a sub 1. Then, yung common ratio, itulong natin yan ha. So, yung common ratio natin, andyan pala si common ratio. So, yung common ratio natin is 3. Okay, then yung n, hindi natin alam. Then, minus 1. Okay? So, tuloy natin. So, 2,000, pwede natin i-divide both sides ng 4. Okay? So, 2,916, divide natin yan by 4. Si 4 din, times 3, o yung common ratio natin, then n minus 1, i-divide din natin yan by 4. Okay? Cancel natin yung 4. Then, 2,916 divided by 4. Okay? So, that is 729. So, equals 3 raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay? Ngayon, si 729, since 3 yung nandito, yung common ratio natin, we will try it, si 3, kita pa. So, erase natin yan into 6. Kasi, kapag i-multiply natin yung 3 by itself, 6 times, The result is 729. So equals 3 raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so i-cancel natin yung 3. Okay, dito tayo sa taas. So ang naiwan dito, 6 equals n minus 1. Okay, then i-transpose natin yung n to the left side. So magiging from positive, magiging negative n. So equals si negative 1, hindi siya na-transpose. So remain pa rin siya negative 1. Si positive 6, i-transpose natin yan. So magiging negative 6. So negative n equals, simplify natin to. So magiging negative 7. Okay? So divide natin or multiply by negative. Pwede siya i-multiply, pwede rin i-divide. So, yung n is equal to positive 7. Kasi pag mag-divide tayo ng the same sign or mag-multiply tayo ng the same sign, the result is positive. So, this is your final answer. 2,916 is pang 7th term. Bye-bye.